Dear students, today we have to solve the question number 12 of exercise 8.1 class 9th. This is the most important question in this chapter. To understand this question, ABCD is trapezium. So draw a trapezium, that is ABCD. First we have to draw a trapezium ABCD. What is the trapezium? In trapezium ABCD, opposite sides are parallel and two opposite sides are not parallel to each other. Okay, this is the trapezium A, B, C and D. Now AD is equal to BC, it means AD is also equal to BC, so it is isosceles trapezium. In isosceles trapezium, if opposite non-parallel sides are equal and the two opposite sides are parallel and two non-opposite parallel sides are equal, so this is isosceles trapezium. We have to prove to show that angle A is equal to B, angle C is equal to angle D, triangle ABC congruent to BAD and diagonal AC is also equal to BD. So first of all we write that is given. What is the given of our question? That is ABCD be a trapezium, AD is equal to BC and okay, and to prove, that is first angle A is equal to angle B, second angle C is equal to angle D, third triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD, and fourth one, that is diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. Now join the diagonal AC, this one is also equal to BD. Now we can take a small construction in this figure. Extend AB को हम extend करेंगे, this one, okay, extend AB or produce AB2, that is X, or this one is produce AB2 X, and draw a line, that is CE, this one is CE, which is parallel to AD. Okay, now write here, that is produce AB to X and draw CE parallel to AD such that CE meets AX at E. Look here, this one is okay. We have to take this full angle A, that is 1, this is also equal to 2, and now this angle is 3 and this angle is also take 4, and now we have to take this 5 and this is 6, क्योंकि 1 2 3 4 लेने के बाद जो एंगल को हम शेष करते हैं, एंगल DABR, एंगल DAE, ये क्लियर हो जाता है. ओके, तो नाउ आवर प्रूफ इज, दैट इज सॉल्यूशन. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट इज AD, this one AD parallel to CE. Okay, since AD parallel to CE and AE parallel to CD. Here AD parallel to CE by construction, and AE also parallel to CE, it is also construction. This is since AB parallel to CD, and we have to produce AB to X. So this implies that AD parallel to CE by construction, AE parallel to CD by this. So we can say that ADCE the parallelogram. Okay, if this is parallelogram, so opposite sides are equal. Okay, so therefore ACE is also equal to AD. That is this implies that if this is parallelogram, therefore CE is also equal to AD. Okay, when C is also equal to AD, but AD is equal to BC. Here this is C, this is given. Now take this equation 1 and this equation 2. Therefore from equation 1 and 2 we have, this is C is equal to AD, AD is equal to BC. Now this implies that CE is equal to BC. If these two sides are equal, therefore this implies that if C is equal to BC, CE is equal to BC, therefore opposite angle of C, that is angle 5, is also equal to angle 6, because if opposite sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. यानी कि angle opposite to equal sides are equal. This is the criteria. Okay, so now angle 5 is equal to angle 6, this one 5 is equal to 6. Okay, so now this is, take this equation 3, or here write this equation 3. Okay, now again this equation 3. Now this angle, opposite angle, sum of this angle 1 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree by co-interior angle, and angle 2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. This implies that 180 180, so angle 1 plus angle 6 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 5. Now this is equation 4. So using equation 3 in 4, using equation 3 in equation 4, we get, that is angle 1 plus angle 6 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 5. Now 5, that is 5 is also equal to 6, so cancel this 6 is also equal to this 6. This implies that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and this can also be written as angle 1, we have to take angle A, and this one is angle 2. This is equation 5. Now we have to prove this one is, this is the proof of first. Okay, second, angle 3, this opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, since again, since angle 3 is equal to angle 6. Okay, because opposite angle of parallelograms. So angle 3 is equal to angle 6 and angle 4 is equal to angle 5 because alternate interior angle. This implies that here, look here, angle 3 is equal to angle 6, angle 4 is equal to angle 5 and angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Therefore angle 3 is equal to angle 4. By using equation 3, this now angle 3 is equal to angle 4, so this implies that angle 3, that is angle D, is also equal to angle C. This is the proof of, that is second. And now we have to prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle. We have to take ABC is congruent to BAD. Now we have to take this in this is the third, in triangle ABC and triangle BAD, that is AB is equal to AB, which is common. Now AB is equal to AB and angle ABC is equal to angle BAD, which is proved, already proved. Angle A is equal to angle B, and the third one is AD. No, that is this triangle ABC. First we have to take in triangle ABC, that is BC is equal to AD. This is given. Therefore triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. This one is by side angle side criteria. Okay, so therefore AC is equal to AD. This is CPCD, and this is proved of fourth, and this is also proved of third. Okay, thank you.